So I'm finna try reselling. Take this goofy ass ski mask off, y'all. I was trying to be like everybody else with the ski mask on, but nah, let me take it off.
What I said in the video in the beginning is definitely true. I am gonna be start reselling and shit like that. I got the AirPods right here, so I'm about to show y'all that in a minute. So yeah, let's get straight into this.
These are the AirPods. I already opened them.
So can y'all see that? Hold on. I already opened them. Apple logo. These I had these for a minute, so I was rubbing it and shit. AirPods Pro, another Apple logo. These are the AirPods. Like I said, I already opened them. Focus. Let me get out the camera. There we go. There go the little cereal shit. But those are what I'm selling. I'm not selling those ones because I opened those and I just be using them. The sound quality sounds great. I did buy the wrong ones though. I was supposed to buy the ones that had it was supposed to say the noise cancellation best. I bought the ones that just said noise cancellation basically. So I bought 4 other ones that say best. Those should be coming like on Saturday. So when those come in, I'm gonna show y'all those, and then we about to be getting in making these accounts and stuff like that. So I already made an OfferUp account, eBay account, Depop account. I think I need to make some other accounts and shit like that. When the AirPods come and I'll show y'all and stuff, I'm gonna be making the accounts and shit, the rest of the accounts, the ones that I didn't make already. And then I'm gonna be doing some research on how to basically
fucking list the motherfuckers without getting them taken down and shit like that.
Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Early as fuck in the morning.
Wake the fuck up, nigga. Damn.
The package comes today, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. Go get the package. Alright, okay. Alright, we're gonna come over here to the laptop. We're about to do some research because I need to like touch up on some shit. And then yeah, package is not here yet, by the way. It's about to be here soon, so I'm gonna unbox it for y'all and all that shit. Follow this nigga, bro. Like he gonna get y'all right. Go follow this nigga. Team Profit World. So now that I did some research, all I gotta do is basically wait for the AirPods to come, and then shit, I'm about to be just listening on all the apps that I have. I don't know nothing about reselling, so like I said, this is gonna be something different for me, but I wanna bring y'all on the journey about reselling, selling shit. And before y'all ask, am I gonna be reselling just as is? No, I'm gonna resell it as the reps, you know, and I'm gonna tell them they reps and shit like that. I'm not about to be out here trying to.
I'm not that type of person, nigga. I'm not trying to get nobody.
Alright, just got the package, y'all. So this up in here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So hold on. Alright, y'all. They is when you order these, y'all, it's gonna come in a box like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna open these hoes. Look what's inside. Alright, boy. Oops, I had them upside down. AirPods Pro. Alright, so what I'm about to do is, here's all that shit. Alright, y'all, I got them all open. Here go the AirPods right here. AirPods Pros. Like I said, everything around it. And yeah, so y'all, but I'm about to get up out of here. On the next video, I am going to be basically showing me taking the pictures and shit and basically listening to shit. And yeah, we're gonna go for them. It's KB. If you didn't know, now you do. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all better subscribe. Stop playing with me, dog. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.